Most of our focus in working with WPI is about the students. It's engaging them while they're at WPI, and if we're lucky, bringing them into MITRE once they graduate. We work with faculty at WPI to sponsor MQPs, try to find real-world problems where the students can focus their MQPs. And then beyond that, we like to take students that we've worked with on MQPs and bring them into MITRE for summer internships.
So MITRE is a great partner with WPI because in many ways, they both share the same spirit. Here at MITRE, their core strengths are in implementation, applied research. They take the technology and make it better. What really gets a WPI student or faculty member excited is impact. And at MITRE, what they're looking for are folks to collaborate with that have that passion.
My MQP at MITRE involved sending signals off the ionosphere. It was fun working at MITRE. It was nice because in addition to being able to see what the company was like, I got to interact with the engineers here, see what the environment was like, and I got to work with another student from WPI.
I worked in a radar lab for my first internship, and I did some work that was actually relevant, building tools for the lab that the lab still uses today. For my MQP, it was work in high-frequency communications. So we actually got to set up an antenna out at WPI, and we were transmitting from MITRE to WPI, transmitting data, which was pretty neat.
My interest is to link up WPI students who have a passion for doing project-based learning with MITRE projects and MITRE personnel who are looking for young, talented students to mentor and to create a win-win situation. WPI MITRE Project Center has on average between 3 and 7 MQP students per year. Most of our students that go through the MITRE Project Center return as MITRE employees. Some of them also pursue the 5-year program, get their master's thesis on a subject that is cutting edge, is very applied, and also of great interest to MITRE as well. And they also have MITRE supervision, they have the supervision of a WPI professor, so they get the best of both worlds.
They've set it up pretty well so that the work I'm doing at MITRE corresponds with my thesis work. It's been nice to have the experience of the academic setting as well as the corporate setting.
When they graduate from WPI and they've participated at the MITRE Project Center, what they end up being are very skilled engineers ready to take on the world.
The problems we're dealing with are huge and complex, so we really need to tap into places like WPI for more ideas, more talent, some fresh thinking, and we really see this relationship with WPI as expanding our horizons.